Come with me to apply to medical school.
Do I look fat? Wait, okay.
After moving across the world, undergrad, 5 years in the making, I am finally starting my MCAT application today. So, come with me. I'm gonna do a whole cute little vloggy thingy with all the pop-ups and stuff like that. Let me quickly walk you through what that actually means in terms of the application process. So today I will start my application. The portal for MD medical schools outside of Texas is currently open. I will put all my information in, letters of rec, transcripts, activities, all things like that. It's very tedious, takes a long time. I have a month for all of that to process and happen, and then I can click submit. Once I click submit on the 27th of May, which is the first day you can do it, you then have what they call a verification period. So it could take 4 to 6 weeks, depending. It could be any time really. Don't hold me to that. To verify you're legit. Once that happens, come June 27th, if your verification process is already complete, the medical schools themselves will start receiving your application. Whether or not your MCAT scores are back yet, preview scores, things like that. So all of this drama that happens today and for the next couple of months is prep for the schools to see your application as close to July, August as possible. That's the ideal situation, is for them to see it then. My MCAT score will not be in by the time my application is probably verified and sent to the schools. So that is something that I need to be aware of. And also, when I'm strategically entering what schools to apply to, I don't have to put all of them in right now. So my credit card wouldn't even allow me to do that. So what we would do is I'll put a couple in now and it will be verified, all that. Once I have that other MCAT score back and I'm confident about sending it out, I can add the other medical schools to my list and they will immediately then get my application. So we're looking at the 2nd or 3rd week in July. So a little bit further behind than when I wanted to be. I obviously wanted to be done with the MCAT by the time I applied, but this is it. Of course, I have my Mapped account open. I'm getting a phone call, just wait. Honestly, it's so tedious. Okay, so like what I'm doing now is I'm gonna go and put in, I'm putting in my work and activities section. Select the type. A little piece of advice I got because I wanted to be cute. I wanted to do like cute activity names, but apparently like that doesn't fly well. So just like name them like clinical research coordinator kind of thing. I know, guys. I'm losing so much hair. You can tell I'm stressed, right? Because like it's literally just like I'm shedding like crazy. My lunch is chips, guys. Like I'm so... Ugh.